So this has the instructions on the back, and then if you want to scan the QR code, you can. There's a referral program. They come with really cute stickers, and it also has a recipe book, and it has instructions for making different kinds of nut milks, and rice milk and oat milk as well. This is the measuring spoon for the nuts. So this is 2 tablespoons and the other one is 1 tablespoon. This is the strainer. And the cleaning brush for the machine. And then this is the Nutr machine itself. This is the inside. Plug in and the blades. So just be careful pulling that out because these are sharp.
So we're going to make a chocolate coconut cashew milk with this. We're going to add all the ingredients and the water into the machine, and we're going to run it on the warm setting so that it's nice and warm. I'm going to turn the volume up on the machine so you guys can hear what it sounds like. The warm setting warms it up to about 140 degrees, which is pretty good for me. And you can strain this. You don't have to strain it, but I like straining it. And if you want to, you can use the pulp for adding stuff to your oatmeal if you want.
So with these buttons, what you're going to do is you're going to hit start, push that button once to kind of go through all the options. Then if you pick one that you want to do, then you're going to hold that button. So we're going to run it through a self-cleaning cycle, and we added some water into that. And we're going to go through all the way to self-clean, and then we're going to hold the button until it starts.